Beep, 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 beep.
Hello friends, using an e-scooter can be a challenge for anyone, but would you let your grandpa own one? If you ask that question in a forum among young people, you'll get an explosion of negative views. No way, old people are too fragile, too risky, and so on. By the way, I'm not calling old people to jump on scooters. I just want to share a bit of my experience driving a two-wheel scooter, in part to bust some myths, but also to warn others, even young people, about the pros and cons of driving these flying objects. It is true, people of whatever age who have weak knees and fragile bones should stay away from e-scooters. Sidewalks, bike lanes, and roads can be rough. Sometimes you have to jump off the scooter to fall on your feet instead of your face. And most roads are not made for scooters, so many surprises could cause accidents. In some countries, driving on sidewalks is not allowed. And if you have to share a road with cars because there is no bike lane, you can face even worse dangers. Now, put all that aside, driving an e-scooter on a perfect bike lane can be a very safe and pleasing experience. You only have to follow some basic rules. If you have difficulty handling balance while standing on a scooter, buy one with a seat. Riding an e-scooter is very different to riding a bicycle. It has very small wheels, the handlebar is very high up, and the center of gravity is in the center of the wheels, much lower than a bicycle. While standing, it is very unstable, so one can lose balance quite easily. If you're sitting, you are nearer the center of gravity, so it is easier to control. And if you lose balance, your feet are ready to help you. The only problem with these scooters is that they can be too heavy to carry upstairs. If you can handle your balance, you have crossed the first hurdle. But there's more. As these wheels are very small, big bumps, holes, stones and broken pavement can halt the scooter while you fly over the handlebars. If you turn the handlebar too fast, these small wheels won't turn and the scooter will topple over. For this reason, we must always keep an eye on the road, and our speed should allow us to brake as slowly as possible. No jerk braking. Poor road conditions, people and cars coming out of homes or appear around a corner, animals crossing our path or attacking us, oil or water puddles, and other dumb events.
Beep, 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 beep.
Oi.
All those are obstacles that can cause an accident. If we don't anticipate, they can happen. If you're driving down a sidewalk and you see an open gate, slow down. Most probably, something is about to come out of there. Most of these scooters can reach speeds above 15 miles an hour, and it's very tempting to go as fast as possible. But that is only safe when the road is clear and there are no surprises. According to many studies, most injuries in scooter accidents occur because people don't use proper protective equipment. That is, proper shoes, a good helmet, protection for your knees and elbows, good gloves, goggles. But if you're going to really go fast, maybe you should also use backbone and hip protection, together with a full face helmet, like motorbike users. Additionally, most accidents occur because people ignore the limits and get involved in risky behavior. The best way to find out if you are mastering a scooter is taking sharp curves. First at the slowest speed, and if you don't lose balance, move up to the next speed. Once you get the feel of it, it's pure rock and roll. But rock responsibly. A small, foldable, lightweight scooter like this one can have many advantages. It's a nice way of getting to a bus or subway station for your commute. Fast and little effort. It's faster than public transport in some routes and faster than a car at rush hour. You won't miss the crowded buses and trains or the smells at rush hour.
Se inicia el cierre de puertas.
And the best thing, it's significantly cheaper than any other means of transport. A 1 hour trip for 6 miles can use 20% of the battery. You might need 2.5 hours for a full recharge, and that can cost about 20 cents. This can vary due to a series of factors, but it's a good reference. The only cheaper transport you'll find is hitchhiking. This scooter is a typical 350 watt, 15 mile an hour e-scooter. It's foldable, so I can take it on a bus, train or subway. It has a range of 17 miles at full throttle, but in the city it can be much more. And my main reason for buying it is it only weighs 27 pounds, so it's the best I could get for climbing 4 flights of stairs to my apartment. Well friends, I think that's enough for today. In my next videos I'll go deeper into this game, especially focused on older people. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.